Good day, BI Arcadas! Meron ka bang minanang ari-arian na hindi mailipat-lipat sa pangalan mo? O maibenta dahil sa hindi mabayarang buwis? Worry no more! May good news ang BIR para sa inyo. Kaya't samahan ako at tuklasin ang Tax Amnesty Act. According to RA number 11213, the government promulgated an act enhancing revenue administration and collection by granting an amnesty on all unpaid internal revenue taxes imposed by the national government for taxable year 2017 and prior years with respect to estate tax, other internal revenue taxes, and tax on delinquencies, also known as Tax Amnesty Act. Ano bang meron dito? Just keep abreast of these 4 important reminders. First, you have to consider if you are covered by the Tax Amnesty Act as mandated in the provision in Estate Tax Amnesty. There is hereby authorized and granted a tax amnesty hereinafter called Estate Tax Amnesty, which shall cover the estate of decedents who died on or before December 31, 2017, with or without assessment, duly issued therefore, whose estate taxes have remained unpaid or have accrued as of December 31, 2017, provided, however, that the estate tax amnesty hereby authorized and granted shall not cover instances enumerated under Section 9 hereof. So, laging tandaan, the amnesty is applicable only to estate tax transactions at ito ay applicable lang din sa estate of decedents who died on or before December 31, 2017. Second reminder, kung covered ka na, don't forget to bring with you the following documents to be submitted in the Revenue District Office of the resident or domicile of the decedent. So here are the documentary requirements to be prepared. Certified true copy of the death certificate, taxpayer identification number of decedent and heirs, estate tax amnesty return, PR Form 211A, estate tax acceptance payment form, revenue official receipt if paid to RCO, affidavit of self-adjudication or deed of extrajudicial settlement of the estate of the decedent, or court decision if the estate has been settled judicially or if there is a last will and testament. Certification of the barangay captain for the last residence of the decedent and claimed family home, if any. For claims against the estate arising from contract of loan, notarized promissory note, if applicable. Proof of the claimed property previously taxed, if any. Proof of claim transfer for public use, if any. At least one valid government ID of the executor or administrator of the estate, or if there is no executor or administrator appointed, the heirs, the transferees, beneficiaries, or authorized representative. For real properties, certified true copy of e-title, certified true copy of tax declaration of land and building, if there is none, certificate of no improvement. For personal properties, we have the following. Magkano nga ba ang babayaran? Let's check Section 5. Section 5, Entitlement under Estate Tax Amnesty, except for instances covered by Section 9 hereof, the estate may enjoy the immunities and privileges of the Estate Tax Amnesty and pay an estate amnesty tax at the rate of 6% based on the decedent's total net estate at the time of death. Provided further that if the allowable deductions applicable at the time of the decedent exceed the value of the gross estate, the heirs, executors, or administrators may avail of the benefits of tax amnesty under Title II of this Act and pay minimum estate amnesty tax of 5,000 pesos. Third reminder, dahil special ka, this law also provides you with immunities and privileges under Section 8 estate covered by the estate tax amnesty which have fully complied with all the conditions set forth in this act, including the payment of the estate amnesty tax, shall be immune from the payment of all estate taxes as well as increments and additions thereto, arising from the failure to pay any and all estate taxes for taxable year 2017 and prior years, and from all appurtenant civil, criminal, and administrative cases and penalties under the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended. And lastly, the amnesty shall not extend to estate tax cases which shall have become final and executory and to properties involved in cases pending in appropriate courts. But wait, there's more. There's no need for you to rush because as mandated in Revenue Regulation number 17-2021, estate tax amnesty is extended not later than 14th of June 2023. Because BIR cares, estate tax amnesty ay para sa inyo. 6% na lang ang babayaran. Walang babayarang back taxes at penalties and absuelto pa sa demanda. For more inquiries, please visit BIR website www.br.gov.ph and makipag-chit-chat kay Revy. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please leave us a thumbs if you like our video. So what are you waiting for? File na!